Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the new Hedra AI Character Tree update in 2025. Step 1. Open the Hedra AI app or website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to the Character Hub and select Character Tree. The latest update should be visible with a new tag. Step 3. Click Customize and you will now see new features such as expanded memory, custom voice models, and visual avatar reactions. Step 4. You can now upload a reference image and fine-tune the tone, vocabulary, and behavior of the AI character. Step 5. To interact, click on chat and you will notice smarter response, timing, and better emotion tracking. Step 6. You can now save dialogue presets, enable role mode, and even export chat histories as PDFs. This update brings Hedra AI closer to human-like personality stimulation, perfect for storytelling, emotional support, or roleplay. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.